Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to understand ROR instruction, rotate right bits in the INVT PLC. So let's get started. First of all we will open our AutoStation software and here we will take an example LDSM0, which is my permanent on relay in the PLC. And next we will take one more bit LDSM12, which is the pulse bit seconds generating, yani continue on and off and on and off for the increment. So we will take the help of the counter, and next we will take CTU up counter C0 for an example, and value any random value we can give, nothing issue. And command first I will show you. In the instruction tree, when you go into the shift rotate instructions and click it on this icon, and after you can see this, the first instruction ROR 16-bit circular shift right instruction. So we will wait a minute, we will take the help of the counter. After we will use this command. What we will do, we will give the signals at this C0 and here will be countings coming, and after we will compare this counter with this ROR register. If you like to be first use, you can first use this, nothing issue, and after you end line, if you like to use, you can use the end line. So in the next line LDSM0, sorry, we have to be LDSM0 permanent relay, and after we will use the equal command. When we type LD, when equal C0 when with 1, so we will move the value. Next we will use the move command, move the value into an example D0 and D01 we will be move D0 into D5 or any data register we can choose. How much bits we like to be move? 1 bit for an example, so we will type the 1. Sorry, right, wrong, we will typing move 1 into D0. Move 1 into D0. Sorry, MOV move 1 D0. That spacing must be understand. After you will be easily type, or otherwise you can choose also from here in the basic instructions. Here also have the move instructions, not here, sorry, this is data transmission. Let's talk later. First we will complete our program, after we can discuss about this concept. So this command we will be make the control C, and next we will make the control V, and here we will be type for an example 1, and here we will be type the 2 value and move here 1, and here we will be type the 2 number, because we will need to make the second bit like to be on. So again we will be, this line we will be copy control C, and here we will be control V, or one time if you like to be make all this control V, and later on you can give the addresses only, just 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many bits you like to be moved, you can make it here. An example, this is 1. We move the 1 into the D0, and when this equal with our C0, we will move the 2 value, and this is when equal with 3, so we will move the 4 value. Move the 4 value because of in the binary, when you third bit like to be make it on, you have to be type the 4. When you convert this figure into the binary, this will be comes into the 3, and this one second 4 we like to be type the 8, and this one we will be type 16, and this we have to be type the 16 after 32, and 32 after you have to be type the 64. So enough, I think so, 3 number, and this one we will be type 4, and when this C0 is equal with 5, and this one equal with 6, and when equal with 7, so one more we will be take Control C and Control V. When our C0 is equal with 8, so we will be remove this command. We will type the RST C0. This we will be delete, this will be delete, and here we will be type RST C0, and here we will almost, yes, and which we were using this data register number, for an example D0, so we will be type it here LD D0.0 of the first bit of our D0, LD D0.1, LD D0.2, LD D0.3, LD D0.4 for an example, LD D0.5, LD D0.6, and LD D0.7. And here if you like to be one more, type out Y0 for an example. This I am using only Y0 because of only we need to be test this inputs. This is working. When you like to make this original program, after you can use this commands, for an example D0.0, you can use D0.0 output on Y0. I will make for you one, no problem. Here you can type LD D0.0, and out you can write Y5 or any bit you can choose. This we are coming, this is the delete, and almost our, yeah, and one more thing, here we can command our, we can use our command insert row, and here we will be make LD SM0, and next we will type ROR D0 into D5 1. How much bits we like to be moved, so we will type the 1, and this program we will be download into the PLC, and let's check. Again make it on and make the simulation on. Now you can see our counter is now increment is okay. This is when 7 bits our when 8 number bit will be on, after it will be reset. And here you can see our bits are continuously moving into the next bits. You can see 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, and after 0.7 why not on? Because of we will not use it here. Move 64 after 128, and you can see when your first bit is D0 when on, your output Y5 is on. You can use this Y0 also, or any other bit, which bits you like to be on and off, you can use it here in your with the help of this bits. See, this is D6. For an example, we like to make it this also, so we can make it here insert row, and here this command we will be not, sorry, this one, no, not this one, we will be make here insert row, and here we will be type this one control C, and where we will make control V. When our this one is equal with 8, okay, and here we will be type this value 64 after how much coming 128, and click enter. And this one, when your counter will be equal with 9 after you make reset your C0, and again download this program into the PLC, and let's test. Basically this rotate right and left bit registers can be used in the traffic signal programs, and some lights which you like to be make it in serial on and off, so you can take the help of this ROR command. Now you can see this is the 5, 6, and now your 7 bit is also on, because of this 7 bit number is in the binary 128. And if you like to be use more bits like to be in serial on and off, so you can increase your this data ROR register, you can use the DROR, and also you can use it here D move, and also you can use it here yeah, this is D, yani here also have a separate, you can see DROR means when you like, this is the 16-bit data, we are using 16-bit. If you like to use this 32-bit data, so you can put just only DROR here. When you put it DROR, and after your value may be above 16-bit up to 32-bit long values you can use. That all bits are the same, just only when you like to be change this ROR left and DROR left, so just only you can change it here ROR and ROL. ROL when you use, after this bit will be reverse direction into running. So I will stop this condition and we will test this one. For an example, this you like to be make it in the left condition, so you can ROL type, you can see ROL, and again download into the PLC, and after we will check the behavior of our program. Click it yes and make it monitor, and now we will test this. You can see sim it's running, but this is how we can change this all. We have to be change this value into the, for an example here last value how much we are using, that's the 8 number, and 8 number we have to be choose for the first number in the first number. Wait, I will test this one. This one number we will choose the 8, and this one we will choose the 7, and this one we will choose the 6, and this one we will choose the 5, and this one we will choose the 4, 5, 4, and this one we will choose the 3, and this one we will choose the 2, and this one we will choose the 1, and this one is choose the 0, I think so, and this one choose the 9. And let's test how it's changing this. That's only if you like to make it reverse or forward, that commands ROR bit is running left to right, right to left, and see now how it's working. Now you can see the 7-bit number. Now 5 4 3 2 1 and next into the 0, and again it will be rotate yani back. So after you can use this and rotate left, rotate right. When you like to use, you can change the values it here, right? So this way you can use this command ROR left or right. This all instruction same you can choose. So hope guys you will be understand about this command ROR and ROL. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.